Alright everybody, here we go again. That is the bridge we just came across. That's a little scary. This is the boat ramp over here. It took the whole boat ramp out last night and moved it. But I'll tell you what, this is going to be one short video and I'll show you why. This is the road. And this water is running right out of the Missouri River. You see it coming out onto the road, and it's all flooded down there already. The authorities are here just about to block this road off, so we're going to head out of here.